Hi, I'm Eric Harper. I work at Transfer Flow. I'm going to show you how to replace a fuel filter on a 40-gallon toolbox today. So you're going to want to take the fuel cap off so that you can remove the fuel cover box. So to do that, it's attached with high-strength Velcro, so you just need to pull it up and out. The filters have a replacement part number right here on the bottom of the cover box. So now you're going to remove these two hose clamps to gain access to get the filter out. So you remove the clamps, take the filter out, replace the filter, and put it back in the same way you just took it out. So you'll replace it, tighten the clamps back down, put the cover box back on the same way you took it off. Place the fuel cap.